Hi, my name's Kate and this is the Little Library Kitchen. I am today cooking chocolate and blueberry pancakes from the Goldfinch by Donna Tartt. I've been a big fan of Donna Tartt since I was about 21 and I read The Secret History, which I think is totally brilliant. I love that she's somebody who goes away for sort of 9 years and then comes out with another totally brilliant novel. I read The Goldfinch in Marrakesh. It's a massive tome. If you haven't seen it, it is enormously thick. I think it's 600 and something pages. But I took it on holidays with me and read it in 4 days. And it's completely amazing. It's sort of a whole life of a young boy and this painting. If you haven't read it, you really should. It's really amazing. It's such an incredible work of fiction. And so, in fact, are these pancakes. So the pancakes are what Theo, the central character in the book, says that he has for breakfast on the morning of this horrible tragedy that happens, that sort of opens all the events of the book. And when questioned by the police, they say, "What did you have for breakfast this morning?" And the truth is that he had nothing, and his mum had given them the day off school and they'd gone to a gallery. And instead what he says is, "Oh, I had pancakes." And the police say, with, chocolate, blueberries, what kind of pancakes? And he said, "Yep, both." And it's a complete fabrication. He had nothing for breakfast. So I've always read that and wanted to make these delicious pancakes. They're very thick, very American, and they're really rich and breakfasty. Pancakes are really simple to make. The basic principle is that you put the dry ingredients in a bowl, the wet ingredients in a jug, and you whisk everything in. You do it slowly so that you don't get any lumps, and you make sure that the batter's really smooth before you ladle it into the pan. It's not that different from making any sort of other pancake. It's not that different from a crepe batter. It's really just the sort of viscosity of the batter that's going to dictate how thick your pancakes end up being, because it's how much that batter will spread once you pour it into a pan. So this batter is quite gloopy, essentially stays where you want it in the pan, and means that the pancake, instead of sort of spreading out across the pan, will rise from where you've dropped it. I mean, essentially what these are wish fulfillment pancakes. This is the breakfast that Theo never had and really tragically never gets to have. I am an enormous fan of pancakes in general. I like breakfast food at all times of the day. So I am not at all averse to eating pancakes for dinner. Pancake Day, I think, is one of the sort of the highlights of the culinary year. I think any day that gives you a reason to try 5 different types of pancakes in a day is a good one. I like them sweet, I like them savoury. These are kind of the sweetest, most rich version that people always kind of go, this is a real indulgence. I think pancakes are something that have sort of been with me my whole life. They're some of my favourite things to eat, and they always make me feel warm and cosy and at home, and I think that's what I want for Theo. I want pancakes to do that for him as well, so I hope that these are the sort of things that you'd want to eat at home when you're still in your dressing gown first thing in the morning.